Hey, what's going on, guys? I haven't been posting any videos really of what I've been doing to this bike. I'm not too sure what color I want to paint the frame, red or black. This is just red primer or orange primer, whatever. I just put a bit of black on it to see what it would look like. And I think the frame's going to be red. But anyway, I thought I was screwed here with this budget bike build. I got all my chains out over there. Whole stockpile out. And the problem I had was the sprocket on the tire, the back rim was a different pitch than the one on the Honda engine. This Honda engine's a 2003 230 5-speed. The engine that came on it was a 1977 252 stroke. So after going through all my parts and thinking I'm screwed, started kicking around there and found a couple sprockets. This one's just one of my dad's old parts from something. It fits right on there perfectly, same gear pitch there in the middle. Just same size, just different gears, pitch, or teeth pitch, whatever you call it, I don't know. I work on this shit, but I don't know the names of everything. And I did something really awesome too. I stepped on my solenoid and I fucking broke it. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to solder that little tiny wire up, or if I'm going to have to order a new one, or try to find one out of a parts machine or something. I don't know. Figure that out though. But I'll stop talking, get this video wrapped up. Did think I was screwed, but we're good to go again. I do have a whole parts bike for this too, but I really don't want to take too much off of it because it has a motor and everything too. It's actually not a parts bike. This was a parts bike, but it has the nice treads on it, so I might just take a few parts off of it for now, and when I do my old Suzuki up, I'll just buy all brand new and have a bit more cash to spend. But there it is, boys and girls. Take her easy. Keep your stick on the ice. PG out.